Here is an easy way to organize and share your work in Motiontill Liveview. After creating a package, you can export it to sell or simply keep it as a valuable resource to streamline your workflow. It's simple. Just go to the Home section and create a folder, right-click on it and choose Export. And that's it. Your package is ready to go. Let's dive deeper into how to create a package using Motiontill Liveview. I'm going to make a package to show you the steps and important things to pay attention to. First, I'll create a main folder to use as a package root and rename it to the match to the package name. Now I go to the root folder and create some new folder to organize my package by category. Then I'll rename these folders, and after that I'll add my items into each category. Now it's time to add items. Just tap the plus button and choose the item supported by Motiontill Liveview. If you have any dependency file, like a footage folder, make sure it's inside the project folder. After exporting, move this folder manually into asset folder created by extension in the last step. If you have made a picture icon and video preview with the same name as your items, they will automatically set as a preview in the extension. If you're not, just right-click each item to set the preview manually. I'm going to fill in all the categories. Let's take a look at the information for an item. Here you can add detail using various HTML codes. At the top of the info section, you can set an icon name and link. To set these, go to the main folder in the root and select export. Here you can set an icon, name and link URL that will apply to all items. Click on export file and choose a location to save everything. Don't forget to copy the dependency folder into the new assets folder created in your chosen location. This is your completed package. Inside you will find a help folder with HTML files to guide you in setting up Motiontill Liveview. There's also a catalog page that lists the source of your assets and files without needing After Effects or Premiere Pro. There's a folder in Motiontill Liveview called it Liveview-friendly package. This folder stores important files and assets for your package, including a list.liveview file. To import this package, just add the list.liveview file, and you will see your package appears in the extension again. Don't forget, Liveview is completely free. Use it to enhance your projects, streamline your workflow, and sell your item without any cost. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.